Today, in the big question, we address the question, can you live forever? What if you could stop aging? What if death wasn't inevitable, but a mere biological problem waiting to be solved? These aren't just philosophical musings. They are the life's work of Bryan Johnson, a tech billionaire who is spending millions of dollars enduring extreme experiments and challenging the very concept of mortality. His mission: to reverse aging and make the idea of dying obsolete. So, who is Bryan Johnson? Bryan Johnson isn't your everyday Silicon Valley entrepreneur. He built his fortune by founding Braintree, the company that gave us Venmo, and sold it for $800 million. But instead of retiring to a life of leisure, Johnson turned his attention to a more audacious goal: defeating aging. His obsession has a name: Project Blueprint, and it is as ambitious as it sounds. At 47, Johnson claims he has already turned back the clock, boasting a biological age of someone in their 30s. His methods are extreme: a 1,950 calorie vegan diet, taking more than 50 supplements a day, exercising for hours, and monitoring his body with over 30 doctors. This is no ordinary health routine. It's a full-blown scientific experiment where Johnson himself is the test subject. The Maverick Experiments. Johnson's anti-aging regimen has made headlines worldwide, not just for its intensity, but for its sheer audacity. Earlier, he underwent plasma transfusions using blood from his own teenage son. The idea? To regenerate his cells with youthful blood, a controversial practice inspired by early research on mice. Critics called it unethical, and the medical community remains skeptical. But Johnson has brushed off the backlash, saying, progress often looks like madness. But it's not all smooth sailing. In late 2024, Johnson attempted a facial regeneration procedure involving fat injections, a decision that backfired spectacularly. His face swelled up, his vision was temporarily impaired, and the episode served as a stark reminder of the risk inherent in his quest. It was a humbling experience, Johnson admitted. Failure is part of the process. More recently, Johnson stopped taking rapamycin, a drug that's been hyped as a potential anti-aging breakthrough, after it caused side effects like infections and elevated blood sugar. Yet, for all these setbacks, his resolve remains unshaken. A visionary or a modern-day Icarus, Johnson's quest raises as many eyebrows as it does questions. His dedication to never die has sparked debates about the ethics of biohacking and the implications of a world where aging could be paused or even reversed. Is this the dawn of a new era in human evolution? Or is it reckless tinkering with forces we barely understand? While some scientists admire his determination, others are deeply skeptical. Aging, they argue, isn't just a biological process, it's a part of life. Should we even try to cheat nature? And if we succeed, who gets access to this technology? Will eternal youth be reserved for the ultra-rich like Johnson? Or will it eventually trickle down to the masses? Where does this leave us? Bryan Johnson is a man on a mission, driven by a dream that's as old as humanity itself, the dream of immortality. His journey is one of ambition, wealth, and relentless experimentation. But it's also a story of risk, ethical dilemmas, and unanswered questions. So, what do you think? Is Bryan Johnson a visionary who will one day make death optional? Or is he a cautionary tale of hubris and excess? Should humanity even aspire to live forever? Or does the beauty of life lie in its brevity? As the debate continues, one thing is clear: Bryan Johnson has made us all question the very nature of life, death, and what it means to grow old. What would you choose? This is Leena Lal signing off for now. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.